America the Beautiful. Welcome. We are going to Valley Forge, and our first stop is the Valley Forge Visitor Center, and we will check out to see whether they have special event for today. And we are celebrating the 4th of July, 2026. Mark two important days in our history. This is the 250 years anniversary of our independence. Also, it's the 50-year anniversary of the Valley Forge National Historic Park, which located next to King of Prussia, the suburb of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania. And we are inside the visitor center, and looks like they have movie you can come and watch. They have the Encampment, which is very famous log cabin. And also they have the National Arch. But today is a special day. Oh yes. There will be the Musket firing demonstration, which will be heading there from here. And afterwards, we'll go to the world famous National Arch, the historic arch dedicated to George Washington and the U.S. Continental Army back in 1776. So today is a great honor. We will walk up this hill and we will go to the Muhlenberg Brigade and see the log cabin, and we'll wait. And before we go to the encampment, we'll stop by the fort. You see, there is cannon, and there's folks that belong to the Musket firing squad. So let's head in, take a look. Once again, welcome and enjoy this special day in our history. And let's celebrate our 250 years of birthday. Enjoy. Cannon. We're here at Valley Forge. approaching the city of the log cabin. And let's check out the log cabin first. Wow, look at them. Awesome.
No, that's close. That's close. We can watch. Here. Okay, you want to play me? Okay,
The musket firing demonstration just about to begin. Let's go down there and look at them. They are the firing squad, and they are taking a break. And we are about just a couple minutes from the show. And thank God today is not as hot, but still close to 90s degree. Yesterday was around 102 for the last couple of days. And let's listen to the commander.
That black powder, if it gets humid or it gets wet, it's going to render it inert. So sometimes that can be a problem. Also, it's relying on a piece of flint, which is a very sharp stone, razor sharp, striking a steel hammer face to create a spark that goes into a small charge of powder, and that explodes, communicates through a pinhole into the barrel, ignites the main charge to set it off. So as you can see, there's a lot that can happen there. Lots of things have to go right. So if we have a misfire, they're going to call that they've got a misfire. We'll go through some clearing operations on that in accordance with National Park Service rules. And that's been enough out of me. So let's do it. One, march. Obliquely, right. Step. Step. Right. Step. Left. Step. Wheel. Halt. Seven. Whoa. Handle. Cartridge. Shut. Hey. Test it out. Charge. Cartridge. Roll. Cover. Rip. Wait for the command. Red. Cartridge. Return. River. Shoulder. Fire line. Fire by section. Section. Fire!
It's a such hot day, and it's very humid as well. Look at the trolley. Wow, that's a good idea. Let's catch the trolley and let's go to the National Arch, which is about a couple miles away, and it's like 3 or 4 minute drive. So let's head there. And here we are at the last stop, which is the National Arch. Wow, it's magnificent. Look at the sky and the cloud. Wow, it's very impressive. We're toward the end of our journey. I hope you enjoy this trip with me. And today what we saw is Valley Forge, the visitor center, the Encampment log cabin, and the National Arch. And it's magnificent. And it's great honor to be with you to celebrate together our 250 years of independence. Happy birthday. Happy 250 years of independence. God bless America.